very good. You can log on to your WhatsApp. We need to actually upgrade this technology. Okay, so our learning objective for today is that at the end of this session, participants will be able to identify the benefits of using voice recognition in converting speech to text and use the voice recognition button on the mobile device. Are we still with our phones? Don't worry, I'm not sending anything to anybody.
We are there.
Alright, so on your WhatsApp you will find the button just
At the bottom.
if you are using iOS, you find the button below, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so tap on the button and then let's do this quickly.
Like sending the voice notes. Like recording the voice notes.
Yeah, like voice notes. No, there's a button just on your Android when you got on your WhatsApp, right? If you want to type on the keyboard, there's a button right there. Are you seeing it?
Thank you, Sanusi, for the beautiful presentation. Very nice. The class engagement was very, very nice. I mean, you engaged everybody from beginning to end. So,
Okay, thank you for the presentation. One class, please. Thank you. Thank you for the presentation, Mr. Sanusi. That was a very impressive one. Okay, so I've tried this before, Microsoft Word. I didn't know I could use it on my normal typing keyboard, so at least I learned something. Thank you very much for the class engagement. Thank you.